Hi guys, and welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be making these super quick and easy Christmas tree ornaments that are Christmas tree ornaments. Aw, isn't that cute? Making them with cinnamon sticks. Whew, very strong, very strong. If you like cinnamon and you want your house to smell like cinnamon, you're going to love this video. So let's just jump in and we'll talk after. Okay, so in this video we are going to sew up some super quick and easy ornaments, and I got this fabric from the thrift store, so we are going to use that. I'm super excited. Isn't it beautiful? So all you need for this project is some cotton fabric, some polyester fiber fill. I'm using 1/8 inch kind of ribbon. It's like a satin ribbon, and then some cinnamon sticks. I got these over at Costco, so you can get a big container of them, and you can make a bunch and maybe some more things. Okay, this is going to be a really easy project. It's going to be great to do if you're teaching kids how to sew and you really don't need a pattern. You could make a template if you want to, but we're just going to wing it and cut it straight from our fabric. So I want my Christmas tree to measure 4 inches on the bottom. So the base is going to be 5 inches, and we're going to make that like our seam allowance. And then I want my tree to be about 5 inches tall, so we're going to give it 6 inches. And that's the seam allowance. So I'm just going to find the center, and then I am going to just make a simple tree. And it doesn't have to be perfect, and I think it's better if it's not perfect, because that means it's a little bit more rustic. Rustic seems to be in when it comes to Christmas ornaments. So there is our triangles. We have 2 of them. And now what you're going to do is you're going to take some ribbon. We're going to take probably, see again, we're just winging it, 10 inches of this ribbon. And we are going to put it in a loop. We're going to take our fabric and we're going to put it with the right sides together. But before we do that, we're going to take this ribbon and we're going to put that in the middle so that the raw edges are touching the corner of our tree. So I'll just get a clip to make sure that that is somewhat perfect. Okay. And we just want this kind of like hanging down inside. And what that's going to do is it's also going to help us to pull that that tip out when we go to flip it right sides out. So now we're going to take the other piece of fabric and put that on top, and we will clip that. And after we finish sewing, just have a hot glue gun ready to go as well, or you could also use some fabric glue. That would be fine. From here we are going to pick our cinnamon stick, and this one seems like it's pretty good. And I'm going to be leaving a 1 inch gap, 1 inch to 3/4. You don't need very much to be able to turn this. So you can just kind of mark it. We just want enough to be able to put our cinnamon stick in after it's done being sewn. And we're just going to sew it here, up the top, and down here, and across, with probably like a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. I'm gonna move my needle over and back stitch really well. And turn, lifting your presser foot. Make sure that the ribbon on the inside doesn't end up in your seam. And lock those stitches too. Once you have that done, we're just going to use our scissors and we'll snip off the corners. Be sure not to snip the actual seam. Okay, so now all you need to do is flip the tree right sides out, and you might be able to grab the little string on the inside and then pull. That'll really help to flip it. Just like that. And then make sure you have a tool, like a corner poking tool, so that you can poke out the side corners. Now you can really have fun with this project. If you don't want to do just a regular triangle, you can draw a template and make like an actual Christmas tree that has like different shapes to it. Okay, that looks really cute. Okay, now we're just going to stuff it with some stuffing. You really don't need a lot. I'll just use the rest. But you do need enough room to put the cinnamon stick in this hole, so don't stuff it too much. Okay. There we go. So now we're just going to take our cinnamon stick. I already have my hot glue gun ready to go, so I'm just going to kind of put it in and figure out how deep I want it. So you might need to move the stuffing around a little bit. And I'm just going to kind of put some on the stick and then place my fabric on it, being careful not to get it on the outside of the fabric. Okay. Oh my goodness. So this is going to add a little bit of scent also to your tree if you enjoy the smell of cinnamon sticks, or you know how people like to put cinnamon and orange zest and those things on the stove and smell, you know, fill their home with the scent of all things fall or Christmassy. So this, if you make a bunch, will definitely add the cinnamon scent to your holiday tree. This is so cute and so easy, and would be such a great little gift idea to maybe make a set of 4 and give them to somebody. Great for craft sales and things too. And you saw how quick it was to make one of these. And such little resources. This is such a great stash buster. Okay, well that is the tutorial. How quick and easy, so fast, I know. My goodness. Can I just say I am all things green, green fabric, green sweater, and green walls. My goodness. I actually just made this sweater. This is the Aurora sweater from Copper Creek Patterns. And I am posting a sew along for it, so I'll post that in the video description. If you're watching this video today as it's being released, it won't be up, but maybe it'll be up. I don't know. But if not, it'll be up like in a day or 2 after this one. But that was really fast. I made it in 2 sizes actually. Made it in this size and this size. This one was too small. I thought it was going to be the right size. But I think that is so cute, don't you? I've seen these everywhere. They're all over Pinterest. And I've seen patterns for it too, and I'm like, I don't need a pattern. It's a triangle. Right? We're just making it. It's a triangle. Let's be real. It's a triangle. We need to make some more projects though. So if you have any suggestions for future tutorials, please let me know in the comments down below. Holiday, Christmas, gift ideas, decor, anything. I'll make a video for you. But yeah, that's about it. So I'm gonna take off. The kids are gonna be home in a few minutes, and that's about it. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I hope that you do. Hit that subscribe button, and of course hit the like button, and follow me over on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all the things, if you want to get even closer and hang out and be friends. The thing. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.